guys, welcome to Papa Vlog episode 3! And today we're going to make your favorite dessert since it's hot today. It is fruit salad. It's actually my dad's favorite. So here we have some condensed milk, heavy cream, cheese, the fruits, and also the coconut. Coconut nut, ayan, nut.
Coconut nut is a giant nut. If you eat too much, you get very fat. Now
And also we have a bowl, a giant bowl.
Okay.
Let's put them one by one.
Wow.
Yay! First, so I put all of them in. Go reason. Goodbye, tasty fruit. Oh. The coconut nut. Isn't it? The cheese. Goodbye, my cheese. Ay, ayun na. Sticky. Sticky. Spatula. Goodbye, cream. Look. Next, we have the condensed milk. Bye-bye, my fellow friends. Put everything together, and now we are going to mix it. Yay! Ay! Pekos muna. Have a look at this amazing food. Now we mix it. Now let's put it in the container. Goodbye, coconut. Toot. Toot.
Say Frankie. My breakfast home. Ang breakfast is Shopee. Ang tayo ng Shopee. Tayo ng big boss now. Okay, bye-bye. Bye-bye.
So guys, we have transferred everything. Here's the finished product. Now let's put it in the freezer. Put it to the freezer. That's my third hand. So let's just wait for 2 hours. I hope Daddy will like this. Yay! So I'll see you in the next vlog. Bye-bye! Bye-bye! Thank you!